I want to talk to you today about my key word for the year 2022. Are you ready? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And one of the people that I listen to on YouTube is a gentleman named Evan Carmichael. And Evan Carmichael is famous for his one word. He wrote a whole book about it, all right, and his channel is tremendously popular. His word is believe. That's a great word. But I try and be a little more current, okay? Hats off to Mr. Carmichael. I want to be a little more current. My word for 2022, because I've seen it all over the place, is fiber. Fiber! Why fiber? All right, well, I'm at the stage of my life right now where I like to go out to eat. Shock. All right, I like to try different things. And so when people see me eating a Big Mac, or they see me eating this junk food or that food or whatever, they go, Eli's dad, what are you doing? And I always look at him and I go, hey, fiber, fiber. All right, in fact, I'm thinking of creating a new word. When my backside grows big enough, I'm going to have a new word. I'm going to call it fiber ass. All right, because that's what I'm going to have. But seriously, let's talk a little bit about fiber. I've been seeing it a lot on commercials. AT&T has a commercial for it. AT&T fiber. And what is that? Okay, well, optical fiber transmits data by light to a receiving end where the light signal is decoded as data. Therefore, fiber optics is actually a transmission medium. It's a pipe to carry signals over long distances at very high speeds. Fiber isn't even something, people say, what's your intake of fiber? All right. Most carbohydrates are broken down into sugar molecules. Fiber can't be broken down into sugar molecules, and instead it passes through the body undigested. Okay, what's my point. We're talking about personal development here. Things sometimes pass through your body, through your mind, undigested. Get it? Undigested. But they were talking about, you want to have fiber. Well, you know what? You want to have fiber up here as well. It's critical to your success. So let's talk about your best fiber choices. And I'm going to talk about them on the food side, and then I'm going to talk about them on the personal development side. All right, so if you're not getting enough fiber each day, you may want to increase your intake of the following good choices. First one, whole grain products. What's whole grain products? Books! Books, information, stuff that you put up here. It's going to go right through your body. But what happens is when you have that time at night, as an example, okay, and this isn't the only example, but when you have that time at night, for example, and you're saying to yourself, I need a new paradigm, I need a new direction to help me solve this particular challenge that I'm facing. Help me. You're talking to the universe. Here's my vision. Here's what I see. So when you do that, what happens then? You pass that up there, and you can only get back what was at one time put in. So you have to have read something that sparks an idea. That's how it works. Whole grain products, books. Get a lot of information, not just on the stuff you're interested in, but find new things. Broaden your horizons. Fruits. What's the similarity with fruits? Things that give you juice. Now, things that give you juice can be music, all right? Like before we would play basketball, we'd have this music that we would, get us pumped up, get us excited. A lot of people do that in the morning, which is a good thing. So music, but also having people that around you that are going to give you juice. Don't hang around with the people that are sucking the moisture out of you. You don't need that. What you need is you want people that are going to give you juice, that are going to give you a level of excitement, that are going to challenge you. Find people that give you juice, the fruits. Next one, vegetables. Side dishes that enhance the meat of the matter. So sometimes you're taking courses and you're studying things, you're looking at things. They're not directly what it is you're interested in, but they're on the periphery. So it pays to know a little bit about them. The side dishes. The side dishes, right? These are the things that are going to enhance the meat of the matter. And to all you vegetarians out there, my humblest apologies. The last one I want to talk about, nuts and seeds for growth. Nuts and seeds for growth. Now, what do they do to your body? Well, they help to keep you regular. You need habits to keep you regular, to keep an open mind, to give you fresh ideas. So you have to give yourself that quiet thinking time every day where your focusing is on envisioning things that you want to get accomplished, things that you want to happen. You have to have that vision. Does that make some sense? That's what we're talking about, having that vision. Okay? So you need the nuts and the seeds to plant to enhance your mind so that you're able to receive information from the infinite partner to help you to grow, to become the person that you want to become, so that you can get the rewards that you desire and you deserve. So once again, my answer to every question this year is going to be the same. Hey, fiber, fiber, okay? Fiber seems to solve everything, okay? But all kidding aside, what kind of fiber are you putting into your body? What kind of fiber are you putting into your mind on a daily basis? Ask yourself those questions. And always make sure that you don't ration the passion, that you fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.